Chemical reactions, actions. This is what copper chloride looks like in its solid form. When the copper chloride is placed into the water, the ionic bonds will break. They will get weakened and dissolve. Depending on how saturated the solution is, will determine the color of it. In a lab experiment, we put aluminum into a copper chloride with water solution. As we let it sit there, the aluminum began to get replaced by the copper. This is an example of a single replacement reaction. Notice the red on the aluminum. The red on the aluminum is now copper. Just to be sure that red stuff is not rust, you can't get iron from out of nothing. This picture right here shows what happens when you put aluminum into copper chloride. It shows that aluminum replaces copper. In this single replacement reaction, aluminum replaces copper one by one. Still don't get it? Look at this picture. The gold boxes represent chloride, the blue represents copper, and the red boxes represent aluminum. This is the ending result if you start off with an equal amount of copper and aluminum atom. Ions are either positively or negatively charged. Compounds are neutral. To know if it's an ionic bond, you have to determine if it's a metal or non-metal. Put together, they will be an ionic bond. To know if it's a metal, it will be on the left of the staircase, and if it's a non-metal, it will be right of the staircase on the periodic table. These are diagrams of chemical reactions. At the top, it shows a combination reaction. The second one from the top, it shows a decomposition. And the third one shows a single replacement reaction, and the double replacement is shown at the bottom.